Now we are going to add some internal and external links to our page. We are also going to add some files from our media library. They're going to be added on this center column right position here. Let's go to the structure and start editing. Scroll down to the center column right position. I'll add a quick heading here first. Related content. There. Onto the files next. Adding files in SOLU is super straightforward. Click the plus sign, choose file, and I have already added some files to the media library that you can see here. All you have to do is click the add button that appears when you hover over any of the files, like so, and they will appear in the content. I'm just going to add a couple of more. Unfortunately, in this version of SOLU, we can't add files straight to the content from our computer, like with images, but it will be supported in the future releases, so you don't have to worry about that. And now there is an easier way to add multiple files to our content at the same time, but we're going to go through that in our next tutorial. Cool, already here. If you're wondering why we don't add a direct link to the files in our media library from our rich text, for example, the reason is this. Adding files to the tool panel gives them the same features that we have for images, and that will be the file replacement. Let's say we have a catalog of products, like this one right here, and we've added it to multiple places on our site, and we want to update it to a new catalog for next year. All I have to do is go to the media library and find the right file, and then use the upload new file feature. It will automatically replace the file everywhere on your site, so you don't have to worry about going through all of the pages and trying to remember where you've added it. Let's go back to the About Us page. Now there is another cool feature with adding the files to the tool panel, and that is the icon and file size features. Let's look at this in the preview so you can see what I mean. As you can see, SOLU automatically shows an icon of the file type and the file size. And this is good for users, since now they know what kind of file and what size they will be downloading. Back to the structure. Now, when it comes to links, there are three ways to do them. First is the link feature in the rich text editor that we went through in our previous tutorial. The second and third is using the tool panel's add external link and add internal link features. Both of these have added bonuses that the rich text field linking doesn't have. Let's add an internal link first. Internal links point to the existing pages on your site. The red pages mean that they're not published, and the linking will result to 404 page unfound if clicked by the user. So to be safe, let's choose this one. Now the cool part about this is the fact that the link that SOLU creates is a sticky link. That means that it won't get broken even though the page in which it's linked to gets moved around in the structure tree. Next up is external link. I'll go to the tool panel again and choose external link. SOLU will ask me the title of the link. I'm just going to write ask our expert. Yeah, and then instead of making this a regular link, I'm gonna choose this mail to option, which makes this a link that activates your mail client when clicked. And then I'm gonna write Juhani's address here. Click add. Cool, and let's check this in the preview. Here you can see SOLU brings a custom icon for both of the links as well, like with files. Now we have a cool collection of related content files and links. And that's actually about it for the About Us page. In the next tutorial, we're going to go through how to add multiple images as a gallery and file groups to our content. Thanks for listening.